Hi, I'm Rob Martin. I've hosted and I've produced literally thousands of hours of health talk radio and television. And this is going back for over 30 years. And I really started researching this field in 1970. 44 years ago, I really started studying, reading everything about nutrition, foods, and in particular, nutritional supplements, what we call nutraceuticals today. I ended up formulating a lot of very well-known products that you might know, you might even have in your house. And so what I want to do here, my mission, is to create a series of videos, really like life extension, optimal health videos that I can share with you, where I can provide the information that I'm studying and reading and researching every single day of my life. And I work with, I feel, the brightest fellas and gals in this industry, physicians and educators and nutritionists and manufacturers and chemists, and I'm in contact on a daily basis. I want to share this information with you. This is important. We've really entered into a new age of prevention, optimal health, life extension, longevity. The information we have today is amazing. From where I started in 1970, such wonderful things. For example, nutrigenomics. This is something now that's breaking. This is going to be the future for a long time of our industry in nutritional supplementation, in the field of nutrition. Nutrigenomics is how the foods we eat, the nutritional supplements we take, how it impacts gene expression. Our chromosomes, our DNA, our telomeres. The telomeres are those protective caps on the ends of our chromosomes that we want to keep long and healthy. Now, telomeres are particularly important because those telomeres, as they get shorter, it really opens us up to the chronic illnesses of aging, the really serious stuff. But also things like skin. You know, your skin, you can put all the creams you want on your skin, but if the cells are weakening and decaying over time, becoming senescent, well, you know, you're going to reach a point of diminishing returns. We want to keep those chromosomes strong by lengthening telomeres. That's a very important component of living long and healthy aging. Now, you hear a lot about people having particular genes that may not be good for them, and that's true, but it doesn't mean they're going to be activated. Now, you can have two people that have a predisposition genetically for an illness and a particular type of cancer. We hear about breast cancer most frequently. Well, one woman gets it, one woman doesn't. Well, what happened? Well, there were things in one woman's lifestyle that precipitated the malformation of that genetic material, whereas another person, the other woman, did certain things that held it in check. So we know that certain foods, nutritional supplementation, supplements will impact gene expression. This is a really exciting area. Look, I'm a baby boomer. I know a lot of you are as well. You see that flag over there? My father, he earned that flag in a rather spirited contest with the former Japanese Empire. And well, you probably can relate to this. A lot of you folks are in my age group, and some younger, some a little older. Baby boomers go right now from the age of 50 to 68, broken into really two cohorts. I'm in the first cohort. And you know, nowadays we're looking at longevity in a very serious way. Ray Kurzweil, the futurist, talks about the baby boom generation being the first immortal generation or the last one to die. I know that sounds dramatic, but the fact of the matter is there are tremendous innovations coming in biomedicine in the next decades that can dramatically extend life. Nanotechnology, stem cell research, all of the things you might have heard about a little bit, they are going to come to fruition. So as Ray says, Ray Kurzweil, what we do with nutraceuticals is a bridge to the future, to keep us on the planet long enough so that we can take advantage of those big innovations that are coming. Those of us that are 50 years old or younger, well, you have a tremendous shot at a very, very long life. Those of us a little bit older in our 60s and the seniors I'm talking to in 70s and 80s, well, it's going to be a little bit more of a struggle. But at 64, I think that if I exercise right and eat the right foods, take the right supplements, stress management, eliminate the bad stuff, I think my father made it to 86 and he didn't do any of that. So I'm hoping that I'm going to get to, I'll be here another at least 20, 30, 40 years, so I'm really going to take advantage of that. And that's what really excites me. I told you I've been involved in the life extension movement all these years, since I was a boy, really. And I worked with Dirk Pearson. Some of you may have known Dirk Pearson, who wrote that huge bestseller, Life Extension, back in 1981, 82. And so this is my passion. I want to share this information with you, and it can have a major impact. You're not going to get this information in these sort of general health websites and newsletters and from health practitioners. This is leading edge stuff. This is from the guys and gals like me that have devoted our life to living long, healthy, dynamic, fulfilling lives. So I'm going to be back to you with information that I think you're really going to appreciate. There is a field or a window here on this page where you can just stick your email in there, your email address, your name, and we will start sending you these informational emails. They're not marketing emails, informational, vital information. I'm Rob Martin. I'm hoping to see you again. I hope you enjoy the information we share with you that my team and I prepare. And I'd like to wish you optimal health right now and well into the distant, very, very distant future. I'll see you soon.